Okay, we're going to talk about 3 single stroke rudiments. Okay? A single stroke is when you play a single stroke. So if I tell you we're going to play a single stroke 4, that means we got to play 4 of those. But I'm not talking about doing this, because that's not a single stroke. That's like a quadruple stroke. We just played 4 notes in one hand. When I say single stroke, I'm implying 1 stroke in each hand until we get to the number that we're talking about. So if I say we're going to play a single stroke 4, that's what I'm talking about. Playing 4 notes. And if I say we're playing a single stroke 4 right-handed, that just means you're starting with your right hand. So if we play a single stroke 4 left-handed, that means you start with your left hand. Okay? Now if we wanted to be really traditional about it, we would put an accent at the end. Okay? Next single stroke rudiment is called a 7-stroke, single stroke 7. Single stroke 7 is what it's called. So single stroke 7 would be counting to 7. If you did it left-handed, you would start with your left hand. If we played it traditionally, you would play the accent at the end of it. Okay? And then the last one would be a single stroke roll. And so the idea here is we're playing a drum roll, but we're specifically using single strokes. Okay? I would also say that a single stroke roll isn't necessarily playing as fast as you can. Drums or cymbals or instruments and percussion that have a lot of sustain or ring a lot, you're going to generally play a slower roll, which would be kind of like this. But if it has a very short sustain or it doesn't ring a lot, then you want to play it faster to achieve a single stroke roll. So that's a single stroke roll. Alright, so we have single stroke 4s, single stroke 7s, single stroke rolls. And those are all your single stroke rudiments.